Hello everyone, and welcome to Business Hub. If you're an aspiring business owner or a current small business owner looking to expand your success, this video will provide you with 10 tips to grow your business. These advice, from knowing your target market to developing an effective marketing strategy, is essential for businesses striving to succeed in today's competitive market. So keep watching to understand these 10 suggestions for expanding your company. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Let's begin then. Number 1. Prioritize customer needs. One of the most important tasks of every successful firm is identifying and prioritizing customer expectations. To correctly change your services and solutions, it's essential to understand the preferences and needs of your customers. Make the required changes to your strategy and offers to meet their requests after taking the time to conduct customer surveys to better understand their preferences. Making ensuring staff are aware of consumer wants should also be a major priority. They must be able to communicate with customers in meaningful ways that are advantageous. Number 2. Have a focused vision and mission. Every successful business has to have a clear vision and objective. A vision statement describes the organization's broad goals and objectives, while a mission statement describes the company's purpose. Make sure you have a vision and purpose that are clear and provide a road to achievement. Consider incorporating employees and users in the development process to obtain feedback and ensure that all stakeholders are on the same page. Number 3. Develop a business plan. A business plan should serve as a roadmap for every growing company. A strong business plan should lay out the objectives, processes, and requirements for market success. The risk of entering new markets, sales and marketing strategy, competitive research, and current and future financial needs may also be highlighted. Make sure the plan is feasible and includes a timeframe and objectives to track progress. Number 4. Use a do-what-works attitude. As your business grows and develops, it's essential to adopt an experimental attitude and do-what-works approach. Promotion of innovation and ongoing evaluation and adjustment of strategies are both important. Without reluctance, try new things and stay current with advancements in your industry. The success of different tactics must also be recognized and tracked so that you can quickly ascertain what is and is not working. Number 5. Utilize technology. Every organization needs technology to succeed. Utilizing technology may help business save costs, increase production, and reach new customers. Consider purchasing customer relationship management (CRM) software to manage customer information and sales. Creating an online presence for your business may also help you connect with potential customers and increase brand awareness. Number 6. Network and be social. Networking is an essential aspect of doing business. Creating connections with customers, suppliers, partners, or other businesses may help your business grow. It's also crucial to keep up your social media activity in order to market your business to a broad audience. Using social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter may help you promote your business, interact with customers, and boost brand awareness. Number 7. Stay ahead of trends. Trends change quickly in the modern world, and keeping up with them may be necessary to stay current and relevant in certain companies or industries. To do this, it's essential to write in-depth on trends so that readers may better understand the themes and be enthused about them. It's important to keep up with the latest trends and trending topics. Deliver the facts and statistics in an engaging manner to actually capture readers' attention. Include examples or personal stories to help the reader understand what you're attempting to say. Include information on the trend's importance and any potential impacts it could have on other areas. Readers will find it easier to grasp why they should be interested in the topic and follow the trend as a result. Before expanding on complex issues, think about breaking them up into sections that explain the fundamentals. Be open-minded and fair while discussing touchy themes. Present all arguments and talk about the rationale behind certain changes. It's important to carefully examine problem trends and consider how they can affect people positively or unfavorably. Number 8. Invest in people and relationships. Every great business is built on the foundation of investing in people and relationships. When people work together and have trust in one another, amazing things may happen. Investing in individuals requires more than just writing a check. It also means learning about their needs, appreciating their unique skills, and establishing a trustworthy connection. It also entails building trusting relationships with all of the company's partners, suppliers, and customers. This simply entails making investments in and hiring qualified individuals. You want a team that can work well together, inspire one another to provide their best effort, and make the most of the talents of each individual. Individual skills and talents must be recognized and developed in order to create a successful team. Another part of investing in people is ensuring that their needs are satisfied in a cautious and secure manner. Employers may do this by deciding on reasonable work schedules, making sure the workplace is safe and pleasant, and providing the necessary tools and resources. Number 9. Monitor and analyze performance. Any successful business or group must keep track of and assess its progress. It comprises monitoring and assessing data on the efficiency of various activities, processes, and resources in order to learn more and draw conclusions that will lead to improvement. This might include assessing results, browsing performance data, and researching historical trends. It also involves comparing present performance to predetermined objectives and using feedback to make the necessary corrections and improvements. Plans and techniques for accomplishing goals may be developed using improvement, performance monitoring, and analysis. Monitoring goals and objectives, assessing current performance, and looking at the results or output are all viable ways to do this. The data should be used to generate reports that might help the leadership develop action plans and provide the groundwork for the development of systems and processes for continuous performance review. Number 10. Protect your company's brand. Any company has to maintain a strong sense of its brand identity. The reputation of the business should be maintained as the first priority. To do this, businesses should create policies and procedures that protect customer information, adhere to FTC rules, and ensure that company values are upheld. It's also essential to continue paying attention to customer feedback and to take appropriate action in response to it. This kind of customer loyalty building might be quite advantageous. The likelihood of any firm succeeding relies on a number of factors. The development of a successful company may be ensured by taking certain steps, such as establishing a clear vision and objective, using technology and monitoring performance, giving your customers' needs first priority, investing in people and relationships, and protecting your company's image are a few key steps. Growing a successful business requires time and effort, but when the right strategies are used, it can be a rewarding and joyful experience. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.